Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is just a little quick video here. Just got back from my favorite store, liquor store. Thought you might be interested in what I bought. Got this here, Gosling's Black Seal, Black Rum, kind of an interesting bottle. Let's see what this is all about. 80 proof. That one came in at $19. I picked up some Giffard Cassis, and that one came in at $38. Don't use that very much. Picked up some more Black Top. I've got a little bit left of this, but this is a really good rum. It came in at $48. And I picked up some Gosling 151. This flavor profile is totally different than your Lemon Heart from Guyana. This is Bermuda. This came in at $29. And I picked up some Pierre Ferrand. This is a Reserve Double Cognac. Let's see if we can get the bottle out. They don't want it to break, apparently. So that's what this one looks like. We'll give this a try, probably in a sidecar cocktail. And then I got some Hefeweizen beer. This is in a can. The proprietor I bought it from is German, so he could pronounce that name. I cannot. The beer for 4 cans was $15.50. All right. Well, that's all there is. So unfortunately, I'll have to go back to get more if I need it. $236 total. Not too bad. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be making a cocktail pretty quick.